Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Ford Explorer tail light assembly. First, gather your essential tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and your new tail light assembly. Working in a well-lit area is crucial for safety and visibility. This simple task can be completed with basic tools and a little patience, saving you both time and money. Now, let's remove the old assembly. Open your Ford Explorer's liftgate to expose the two retaining screws holding the tail light in place. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully remove both of these screws. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back from the vehicle. It should slide out without much force. With the old assembly removed, it's time for the new one. Carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the old tail light by pressing the tab and pulling. Then, connect this same electrical plug to your brand new tail light assembly. Align the new assembly with the mounting holes on your vehicle and push it firmly into place until it sits flush. To finish up, reinstall the two retaining screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely with your Phillips head screwdriver. Before closing up, test all the light functions: brake lights, turn signals, and reverse lights to ensure everything works correctly. And for more great tips and resources, including a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, check out the description below for other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.